Welcome to week 8. And before I talk about week 8, I want to thank you all for the thoughtful and sensitive and very creative slides that you've each created in the Google presentation. I think we've all learned a lot about Bartholomew, and I think reading and exploring his work, it's helping me, at least I hope it is for you too, to come to some understanding or dealing with this issue. He will be missed, and I think we sense that in all of the slides that we've been creating. As I said, this presentation is mainly for us to deal with this, and not to be in the public realm. But I spoke with Eric Sakai, who's the Dean of Academics for Online Learning at CCV, and I may share it with him if you don't mind. If someone has objects to that, just let me know. And he understands it's not something that we're going to just publish, but he was impressed with the way that we're dealing with this and working as an online community. So for week 8, I hope you have a lot of fun with this. We're going to create Prezis, and don't get too hung up in making it too complicated. The idea is to learn how to use one and start thinking about how the motion applies to your presentation, and images and sound, and just seeing how the tool works itself. Later on in the semester, we're going to have final projects, and this might be a tool that you use for a final project where you could spend more time in making the quality and the content exactly what you like. So, but this step of it is to learn the tool, to begin to address having the right media, but within a week, only having a week time or a few days to work on it, I don't expect a huge undertaking. Save that for your final projects, but have fun. And I've created some short tutorials that I hope will help you out. Don't be afraid to ask each other for help, or email me as well. And let's see what else we have. So also you'll see that Prezi offers an educational license. So if you have you work in a school and you have a school email, you might look into upgrading to the EDU license. If you're if you're senior or finishing at CCV, you might not want to use your CCV email, because then when you leave you won't have that. So you could explore different options, but I have an educational license which allows me more space, more features, and that sort of thing. And you'll be looking at some Prezis, exploring what are good ones, what are bad ones, how do we add video, that sort of thing. And then get into the discussion forum, and be sure to do the discussions before Sunday night, because I have to take attendance and it has to be done early Monday morning. So for you to be present, you have to be in the forum before Sunday night. That's just a reminder. But let me know if something comes up. And if you have any questions this week, don't hesitate to contact me.